The Transport Plus foldable scooter by EV Rider is super portable and a great space saver. It's sleek, stylish, and extremely easy to operate. It features a weight capacity of 250 pounds and a top speed of 4 miles per hour. The scooter's total weight is 46 pounds when removing the seat and batteries, with a driving range of between 10 to 15 miles per charge. Ready for transport and easily folded, the Transport Plus is perfect for the active traveler. Disassembly is a snap. This foldable scooter was designed for your active lifestyle. Sealed lead batteries make this travel scooter airline safe. Regain your mobility independence with the Transport Plus foldable scooter by EV Rider. Order today from AutoMobility store and receive free shipping.